take this badge from me. I can't use it anymore. It's getting dark, too dark to see. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Whoa, yeah. Knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door. Mama put my guns in the ground. I can't shoot them anymore. That cold black cloud is coming down. Feels like I'm knocking on heaven's door. Knocking on heaven's door.
Hey everyone, it's Kyle from McPhee Motorcars Hot Rod Shop. I just wanted to give everyone an update on Bryan's 67 Mustang restoration. We brought the car out of winter hibernation a couple weeks ago, and it did really well over the winter. We had it really buttoned up, double layered tent with it and cover and the whole 9 yards, so it did really well. And we brought it out and it fired right up. First turn of the key, it started up. As you see, we got it running here in this short video, and we blew a fuel line off the carburetor right away. It was an older fuel line, so I ran to the store, grabbed some new fuel line to put on it, and got that thing running, and it runs really well. It's got an exhaust leak that we're going to try to get taken care of. Makes it a little bit loud, but it seems to really be running well. The back brakes have been all replaced. They're all new. However, there is no brakes on the front, so that's our next project, is to get some brakes on the front, get that exhaust leak buttoned up, and we'll continue on with a lot of little things. One of the major things we have to do yet is we have to replace the fuel tank. As you can see in the video, there's a small gas can that I've been pumping gas out of because I don't want to suck any of the dirt out of the fuel tank that's been sitting for 30 plus years. So we're going to try to drop the fuel tank and put a new one in, and hopefully the fuel lines are in decent shape that we don't have to replace those, but we'll blow some air through those and try to get them cleaned out. But little by little we'll get it back, and it's doing really well where it's at, and I'm happy with progress so far. So we can always use suggestions or some assistance, so feel free to reach out and pass those on to me. We'll include the email at the end of this video. Take care, everyone. Hope you have a great summer. Eagle 383 coming out of the barn after a long winter's nap. We're going to see it's going to start.